In today's video, we are going to cover how to archive a contact in Xero. To begin, go to the top menu in Xero and click Contacts. From there, choose the section where the contact is currently listed. That may be customers, suppliers, or all. The option you select depends on where that contact appears in your account, so take a moment to open the right view before moving on. Once you are on the Contacts page, you will see the list of available contacts for that section. Next, locate the contact you want to archive. You can scan the list until you find the correct name, then look to the checkbox beside it. Tick that checkbox to select the contact. Make sure you choose the correct contact before continuing, especially if your list includes similar names or multiple entries for the same business. The selection needs to be active before the archive option can be used, so confirm that the checkbox is marked. With the contact selected, move to the action bar above the contact list and click Archive. This tells Xero that you want to move the selected contact out of your active list and into the archived contacts area. At this point, Xero will usually prompt you to confirm the action before it is completed. When that confirmation prompt appears, confirm that you want to archive the selected contact. This final confirmation is the step that applies the change. If the prompt appears in a pop-up or dialog box, review the contact being archived, then proceed with the confirmation so the action is completed in the correct place. After that, go to the Archive tab to check that the contact has been moved successfully. This is the verification step, and it helps confirm that the contact is no longer in your active contacts list. Click the Archive tab and look through the archive contacts shown there until you find the contact you just moved. If it appears in that tab, the archive action has been applied. If you do not see the contact right away, stay on the archive view and check the list carefully. In most cases, the contact will now be listed there instead of under your active customers or suppliers. The main thing you are confirming is that the contact has left its original active section and now appears in the archived contacts list. Your selected contact is now archived in Xero and visible in the archived contacts list.